Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals. The Ric Flair of crypto, woo, in the house. The ice baby, the vanilla ice of crypto in the house, guys. Hopefully you guys having a great day out there. All my friends in Europe, you guys should be, heading into your late afternoon. Guys and gals here in Vietnam, I just want to say good morning to all the friends and family back in Canada and America, guys. Woo! We got a great video for you. Is it time to bail or is it time to buy the dip, guys? We're going to talk about some really serious on-chain data that tells me that the bull run is not over, and this whole Evergrande Chinese meltdown is going to be a huge nothing burger. So I'm going to show you facts that prove to without a doubt that this bull run is absolutely not over, and that we're going to see $63,000 incoming for Bitcoin. We're going to see $5,000 Ethereum incoming, and we're going to see that 40 to 50 cent Dogecoin coming in the house. So guys and gals, don't forget that this video is not financial advice. This is only the OG offering his opinion, and this video is 100% for entertainment purposes only. So with that being said, guys, let's jump into the content without further delay. So let's get it, guys. Let's get it. So, I got a couple of housekeeping things that we need to take care of. One, you got to smash the likes right now. Go down there, smash the likes, and tell the algorithm that you love this content, and that will push it out. Spread the word, guys. Spread the good vibe. Spread the love. And the only way you can spread the love and the word of the OG in the house is to get this content, smash the likes, copy this video link, and put it in your social right now. Do it right now. And speaking about Linky Winkies, guys and gals, go to all of my video descriptions and check out my links, guys. Go to Zen Music Addict. Buy the channel coffee, go to Patreon, go to www.kofi.com, Crypto Squad, and buy the channel coffee. Do it right now. And remember, all the memberships, all the patrons, and all the coffees go to charity. So that's really big and huge, guys. And don't forget to subscribe, BYB. Do it right now. And I just want to welcome some new members in the house. We've got Glaney, we've got Surendra, we got Adrian, and we got Waleed in the house. Guys, thank you for being part of the family. Thank you for becoming members. And if you want to become a member out there in YouTube land, all you got to do is click on the membership link in the About section of this channel, guys. Do it now. Become members, guys. Get perks. Get access to a private WhatsApp group that I'm on there not 24/7. The OG gotta sleep, right? And so get on there. We got tons of messages, 200-300 messages happening every day. So, woo, guys, let's get it. And one final thing, we got some new subscribers in the house. Now, these subscribers subscribe today. So if you want to get your shout out, if you want to get recognized, and you want to get more and more love from the OG, subscribe YB right now, guys. Do it now. You're going to love it. I love it. So we got Perex Music. We got BR Constructions. We got Benedict. We got Chevron Chase Haynes. We got Anand. We got Krista, and we got El Devaldo in the house, guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. So let's take a look at the U.S. pre-markets right now. So it looks like, we've had as I talked about earlier, we had another correction. Bitcoin went down 6%, and it went, went below 40,000. So that was not looking good. I woke up this morning and I said, what the HE double hockey stick is going on? And exactly as I said, I told everybody in Canada and America, don't drop the ball, because the Asians and the people in Europe, we've been pushing the green machine. And then I woke up this morning, it's like, what? It's like 6 a.m. Vietnam time. It's like, yeah, just check what the market's are. Like, what happened? So guys, come on, take it green for me when you guys wake up. So we're seeing that the pre-markets, we got the Dow futures, we got the S&P, we got the NASDAQ, and everything is looking positive right now. So hopefully this will be the catalyst that will take the crypto markets higher, because it had this whole Evergrande thing, Evergrande Chinese meltdown, blah, 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 that's been driving everybody crazy. We've seen that all of the broader markets have gone down, the cryptos have gone down, but this is just a hiccup, guys. It's only a hiccup, and this is not going to be a long-term trend that's gonna take the crypto and turn it into a crypto winter. No, we're not going there. It's not the beginning of the bear season. It's not if anything else, it's the whales manipulating and if anything else, it's time to go and get the whales. Okay, so it's just the whales manipulating. And I talked about that in my previous video. And so you guys don't fall for the whalish games. Don't fall for the whalish games, because they're trying to shake out all the retail investors. They're trying to shake you out, so you can, get rid of your coins really cheap, guys. So right now, we can see the total market cap right now is 1.90 trillion, and that's pretty good. We've gone up 5%, so this is pretty good. The markets are coming back. We're coming 5%. Yesterday we had this huge bling, we went down almost 5.5%, and Bitcoin went down as low as 6%. And of course, some of the altcoins have gone down 10, 15, 20%, depending on how low they are on the list there. So we've had, mixed emotion, but, Avalanche was doing pretty good, and some coins have actually still maintained green all the way. So let's take a look at some on-chain data that proves to me, is this time to bail on crypto? Is it time to bail on crypto? Or is it time to buy the dips, buy the dippy dip? And guys, you're not going to have much chance to buy the double dip, the dippy dip, because, we're getting close to the end of the month. And October, we're absolutely going to pump, and I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to show you why. And it's right here, right in front of you right now. So keep watching this video to the end. Don't stop watching. And remember, get this video, spread it out, get the good vibe from the OG in the house, guys. So it's a great day to be alive. It's evening time here, so I'm feeling pretty bullish right now. So we can see here, if we look at the Bitcoin open interest by strike price, we can see right now that we have 3,118 or 3.1K Bitcoin. They said that Bitcoin is going to dump, and and it's going to go down. So they put a strike price of 20K. So then we have about 2,500 Bitcoin who have put the strike price around about 60K. Okay, and that's about plus 42% from where we are now, price wise, right? So we have 4,320K, 4,000.32K. Call options. Remember, puts means against, and calls is going up. So, and they have at 100,000, right? So that's 138% from where we are right now. So, and then we have 5,223 BTC calls at 200K. Okay, and that's a 376% increase. So you can see right now, if you look at this is very bullish, that the majority of the calls right now, or open interest for BTC right now, is at 200K. So do they know something that I don't know? All right, and there's even 800 BTC betting on a 400K. So we can see that the puts and calls, that the majority of the calls are, a much higher price than we are now, guys. So these people here are seasoned, right? So we can see that, we've got a massive amount of over 5,000 BTC at 200K. We got over 4,000 at 100K. So you can see the majority of the crypto is calling for 100 to 200K. So this is bullish in itself, that these open interests for Bitcoin are saying that 100K, 200K. So this is really good, and 2,500K. So we're seeing that the majority of the Bitcoin strike prices are higher than where we are now. So this is very, very bullish, guys. So I'm not making this stuff up. This is real world stuff, guys. So some other interesting information is this. So if we look here, this guy's saying, this is from Checkmate, and he's saying, I know it's forbidden to post anything bullish on crypto right now. So if we look at the illiquid supply of Bitcoin, it's at an all-time high, and it's at 14.43 million. Illiquid means that they're not touching it, it's not moving. The liquid supply demonstrating a maturation of coins from 30,000 to 40K, grow gray beers. So we're seeing that the coins are maturing, and we're seeing that the liquid supply is the coins that have matured around 30 to 40K, guys. So we can see that there is a high degree of illiquidity still supply chain shock, and the high liquid supply is at a multi-year low. So the high liquid, the coins that are moving and moving and moving, that they're all-time low. So it means that people are not moving their coins. They're hodling, and they're having diamond hands, guys. So this is really, really important. And we're seeing that the majority of illiquid supply is at an all-time high. And we have some liquid supply at 30 to 40,000 K. These are like the graybeards, right? And but it's a minimal amount. But we have a majority of coins, 14.43 million coins are illiquid, guys. Illiquid, that not moving anywhere. All right, so you can see that overall the supply is going down, guys. So here's some other matrix right now. We can see Bitcoin liquid supply, moderate probability of spending mature coins. We can see that the young to old coins that are going from young to old is also going down. So that means the number of young coins is going down. So it also indicates more and more people are hodling and holding. All right, so the multi-year lows, high liquid supply. December 2018 capitulation, fewer high liquid coins than generation cycle low. So we're seeing that the amount of high liquid coins is coming down. It's coming down. So this is also very bullish. Some other also cool news is if we look here, this is for Dalton Proof. During the market downturn over the last few months, the amount of older coins moving on-chain is gradually decreasing. So we can see that the older coins that are moving onto exchanges is decreasing and decreasing, suggesting that the large and more experienced Bitcoin holders are becoming less inclined to sell and are mostly waiting on what comes next. So exactly, they're hodling and they're waiting for the $100,000 and $135,000 strike zone to get in there before they start selling. If they sell at all, they may just be holding to the next halving, guys. So you can see the on-chain data is telling us very positive things. This bull run is not over. This whole, September Debbie Downer is, September is always bad, guys. I've been telling you that forever and ever and a day. September is always bad. So some other good news is, we talked about 96% of all the Bitcoin volume transacted when we had that 6% crash was less than a week old. So what that tells us is that the users selling coins are newbies, all right? Absolutely newbies, and they're not holding for a very long time. And then if we take a total of all of this supply here that was sold, most of the coins that were sold, 99% were 3 months old only. So we can see that 96% got flushed out, and they're only a week old. So this is retail investors who panic sold, and the whales jumped in there and bought those coins super cheap from you guys. So guys, stop playing the whalish games. And we can see here, as I told you many times, time and time again, is that September is a very, very bearish month for crypto, and history is repeating itself in this particular instance. And we can see that September is a Debbie Downer. It's always bearish, and we can see that October and November the crypto markets are going to explode. So should I be bailing on crypto? Should I be cashing out, or should I be buying the dips? No, you should not be cashing out. You should be buying the dips, dollar cost averaging. If you bought altcoins or Bitcoin or any coin at a higher price than you did now, bring down your strike price, dollar cost average. Absolutely, that's what you should be doing, guys. Come on, the bull run is not over, guys. Wake up and smell the coffee, please. Because some of you are out there, I'm still getting a lot of texts. I'm panicking, and people are absolutely going insane in the membrane, guys. So with that being said, let's look at some more information. We can see right now that the Bitcoin price is 42,457, and that's not too bad. We had a low of 39.5, and we've come back from that. So the only thing we need to keep an eye is this 21-day moving average, and we still have time. We still have enough time to lift above that. If we go below the 21-day moving average, that is very much a bearish signal, and it's bad. So let's keep an eye on that. I'm pretty confident that Bitcoin's going to start moving very soon, and we should be able to confirm that we're going to be above the 21-day EMA. So you guys understand that, right? Leave me a comment, smash the likes, guys. Don't forget to smash the likes. And if you're watching this in a live stream, guys, don't forget to support the channel with super chats. I really appreciate that. So here you can see that we have some major support here at 42,000. We have some support at 40,000, and then we have support at 37,000. So you can see that we bounced all the way down. We wicked down yesterday, your time yesterday, and we wicked down and we went as low right here. You can see that we went as low as 41,000. But we are able to recover very fast. So it just proves to me that the fundamentals of Bitcoin are absolutely no problem. And you can see from the top here to where we are now, we only broke down about 20%. And this is, guys, so it's not a big deal. So if I take into the two crashes, this one, and now where we are, we've only broken down 20%. So it's really not a big deal in the whole perspective of things. Sure, we were forming this W pattern, and then we had this flag pattern, but we broke down, we got rejected. And the reason we got rejected was because we had this credit crunch, this Evergrande thing, and this whole China thing that's happening right now. So from that perspective, we can see some good news from that whole China perspective that's coming right now. As you can see that Bitcoin bounces again after briefly losing 44K support. Watch these Bitcoin levels. But what I want to really draw your attention to is that, a lot of people are saying this Chinese property developer will soon be a non-event. One analyst says with markets already shrugging off the story. So, within 72 hours, this whole story is going to burn itself out and we're going to get back to normal. And not only that, the Chinese bank, the People's Bank of China, have already pumped in 18.6 trillion into the system as a stopgap to, prevent this whole domino effect from the Evergrande collapse. So the Chinese government, the Chinese bank, is preparing for the bailout. So it's not going to be as huge as people think it is. So guys, stop panicking, stop wetting the bed, stop being weak Nancy. Stop being weak Nancy's. So also, too, some good news. Commodity Strategy predicts that Bitcoin ETF could get the nod next month. And that's perfect timing because next month is one of the more explosive, October, November are explosive months for Bitcoin. So if this ETF gets approved by Gary Gensler, and the whole Gary Gensler calling stable coins is a security and the casino chips, I'm sorry, but I think Gary's going to get fired soon because, and also the other interesting thing is that Coinbase just came out and said that they're going to help the SEC create regulations for the SEC. So they're going to work with the SEC to create crypto regulations. So you see how that worked out, right? You know what I mean? Huh? Yeah, so, Coinbase, thank you. So Coinbase is what they're going to do is they're joining the other side because they want the SEC not to overly regulate their business. So if the foe becomes a friend, and now we got Coinbase and SEC working together, then everybody else is going to be bad, right? So let's see what happens. I think that Gary, he's probably going to be out of there probably by November, Thanksgiving. I think Gary's out of there. Okay, so let's see how that works out, guys. So I think this ETF is going to be good. ETF will bring more money, more liquidity into the market, and I think this is going to come out in October. And if this does come out, this is going to help pumpity-pump the markets, and they will go insane, guys. They'll absolutely go insane. So some other news is Evergrande crisis, buy the dip of bail. Absolutely, guys. I keep saying you should be buying the dips, guys. It's not the time to bail. Do not be bailing. This is not the time to bail, guys. Absolutely do not bail. So some other news, I keep telling you guys, and you've seen this a billion times, and I got to keep drilling it. You can see right now, let me click on that so it gets bigger for you, that Plan B, and not only Plan B, we got William Clemente, Willie Woo, we got Bitcoin Archive, we got tons of people out there who are saying the same thing, that October we're going to see 63K. Expect 43K closing for Bitcoin in September. We could see 98K in November and December 135,000. And that fits perfectly in line with here. That we have the Bitcoin options, the open interest strike price is, as I said, 100,000 to 200,000, and the majority of the coins are over 60,000K. So guys, stop panicking, stop being wet dances, guys. There's nothing to worry about. Everything is okay in the crypto world. Okay, this is just a Debbie Downer hiccup. And remember, I keep telling you, September is bad. September is a bad month. You guys just have to get over it and live with it, okay? All right, guys. So you guys all know about the AMC and the Dogecoin. There's a poll out right now, and this poll is now updated. It's now 119,000 people. 69% saying Dogecoin, please. AMC, accept it for movie tickets, and the most expensive hot dogs in the world, and the most nasty hot dogs in the world at AMC theaters. And yeah, so let's see how that comes out. And this is really positive for Doge. So let's take a look at the Doji Woji right now. So we can see right now, despite all this craziness, this is what Doge has been doing for the year. This is the whole May SNL event. We've come all the way down, and right now, if we look at what's happening on the daily right now, we can see that Doge is fighting back pretty strong. We're seeing some green right now, and Doge is trading around about 20 cents, almost 21 cents. So, the Doge is fighting back, and the Doge hadn't dropped like everybody thought with that Doge. Everyone said Doge is dead, Doge is dead. Doge is not dead. Doge is actually doing pretty good, and we'll jump into the markets in a minute. And you can see the Doge here on the 4-hour time frame. And you can see overall, Doge is doing good. We have the support level at 20 cents. And Doge is right now about to break above 21 cents. It went as high today. Doge went as high today. You can see right here. Doge went as high today as 21.48. So I think we're going to get back there once the American markets open. And if you guys don't fail and fumble the ball like you've been doing all week, and you can take a green, we could see, by the weekend, an early retest of 22 cents. And hopefully all the markets will start coming up. So you guys should be watching your portfolios, and you should start to see your portfolios slowly increasing over time. So guys, stop looking at your portfolio, close your portfolios, close it, and then first week in October, open it again, then you're going to go, bah, and everything's going to be looking good, guys. So with that being said, let's take a look at some on-chain data for Doge. So right now, let me just give this a refresh. Minty refresh in the house. Hopefully, we're seeing some greeny. So right now, you can see Doge is still, it's printing some positive, it's positive right now, 0.72%. And like I said, we're almost at 21 cents. 63% of people are still in the money right now. 34% out and 3 are even, guys. And if we look at the Bitcoin correlation, it's getting better. So it means that, remember before we had like 0.43, and that means Bitcoin was high, but Dogecoin was not moving in the same direction. So the correlation is getting stronger. So when Bitcoin moves, and if we keep this correlation, we could see higher prices coming back very fast. So hopefully you guys understand that, okay? Okay, so let's jump into the Ethereum price right now. We don't want to take a look at that. We talked about that. So let's jump into the Ethereum price, but let's just take a look at the fear and greed. Fear and greed is still at 21, guys. And what you absolutely want to be doing is doing the opposite of the market. This is absolutely time. Do not bail on crypto. This is the time to be buying the dip, dollar cost average. Do that right now, guys. It's good advice. This is not financial advice. It's just my advice. So we're seeing right now that Ethereum in the house is at $2,925. And this is on the 4-hour chart. And we can see that today Ethereum had a low of 2,908. So it's really just been going sideways for a while. So, and we've got some really good support at 28.25, and then we have this support here at 2,700. So I'm not worried right now. I think that we'll be retesting our $3,000 level probably in the next 48 hours to 72 hours. I think that's coming unless we have some kind of catastrophic event on the broader market. The Dow crashes, the S&P crashes. So I think that, with the China bank, saying that they're going to bail out Evergrande, I don't think you guys need to worry so much. This is really much a non-event, and it's almost out of there. So let's take a look at ADA in the house. ADA is also, it's above the $2 line, and it's now trading at $2.11, and then we have some overhead resistance at $2.15. I think we're going to come back up. I think everything is going to be looking pretty peachy keen, and we're just waiting for the broader market to start going positive. And if they go positive today in the US, we'll see things absolutely pump up. So guys, this is not time to bail. This is absolutely time to be buying at this dollar cost average. Let's take a look at Solana in the house. Solana is right now trading $131. It really hasn't moved very much today. It's been basically going sideways, as has Bitcoin, as has Ethereum, as has ADA, as has the Doge. So we've got some resistance at 140, but I think we're going to get past my line in the sand, guys, so don't worry about that. And let's take a look at Avalanche. Avalanche is the same. It's at $62. And it's a little bit range bound today. We got a high of 65, a low of 62. So we're kind of just in the mid range right now. So it's probably going to go sideways. Most of the crypto and the altcoins right now are waiting for Bitcoin to make a move. And let's jump into market marks right now. So right now we can see the total market cap has come up from where it was earlier, 188. It's now 1.91 trillion. The volume is still high, so there's a lot of movement. A lot of people are buying the dips, guys. They're selling and buying the dips. But Bitcoin dominance is going up because a lot of people have been taking profits and altcoins, moving to Bitcoin. So that's a good thing. But we need Bitcoin dominance to come down, and we need the markets to go up. And then when the confidence comes back, then people will start moving money back into altcoins, and we're going to see the dominance drop. Then we're going to see the altcoins start to take off again. All right, so let's take a look at the altcoins in the house right now. Let's take a look at the coins in the house. And so in case you're wondering, the newbies, what's an altcoin? Well, an altcoin is any coin other than Bitcoin. So right now, Bitcoin is trading at 42,240, and that's down 2.77%. We're down 11% for the week. Ethereum right now is at 4.84%. It's down 4.84%. And we're just shy, we're about $70 shy of the $3,000 mark, guys. But you know, overall, if you look at the 1 year, we're up 758%. So that's not too shabby. ADA in the house right now is down 1.17%. It's $2.12. So I think we're going to be range bound between like 210, 215 for the next couple of days. So keep an eye on that. BNB is also down 3.25%, and that's at $362, guys. And Solana in the house, you know, it's up over 4,000 and 4,600% in a year, so it's not too shabby. We're up 79% over the last 30 days, and we're down almost 8%. That's $131. Okay, guys. DOT is down as well. It's down 5%, and my Doge is at 209. And that's almost at 21%. So it's not doing too shabby, guys. Look, BTC is down 2%. Everything is down, but Doge is fighting back hard, guys. Doge is fighting back hard. Avalanche is still in positive territory. Can you believe it? So if you guys took the OG's advice, not the financial advice, but my advice, you know, and you got Avalanche, you could be like, yeah, everything's down, but Avalanche is going up, guys. So let's take a look at Link in the house is down. This is a good pickup, guys. Algorand, definitely a good pickup. Atom is also a good pickup. Matic is a good pickup. Where else we got? FTT is a huge pickup. VED is a huge pickup. So those are some of the things that you should be looking at to pick up on the bargains, guys. There's some huge bargains to be out there. So guys, don't panic. Don't panic. It's not time to panic. It is time to, you know, sit back, relax, choose your targets, go bargain shopping. I've already told you some of the things that I'm picking up. Now is a good time to dollar cost average into the coins that you bought at a higher price, okay? Or if you haven't, now is a good time to go and pick up some new coins that are absolutely on sale, guys. And we're not going to see a sale like this not for a while, not till the next bear season comes, and that's not going to be coming for a while, guys. Maybe, you know, March, April. That's when we can start seeing things start to go boom. Okay, so you know, hold on to your horses, buy on the dips, and go bargain hunting, guys. Don't forget to do that. That's all I got. That's my advice. Don't bail right now on crypto. If you bail now, you're going to be losing a lot of profits as we enter into the promised land. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. We got 2,295 followers on Twitter. If you're not getting the YouTube notifications, if you follow me on Twitter, you will get the YouTube notifications right there every time, all the time, guys. Because sometimes the YouTube notifications, they don't work. I don't know why. You know, so sometimes it's hit and miss. You know, I think about 60% of you are getting notifications, the other 40 are not. And it's random who gets it, who doesn't. So I don't know what's going on with that. Sometimes I also get it, sometimes I don't. For my own channel, can you believe it? So with that being said, tell the algorithm that you love the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto, the vanilla ice baby of crypto. Smash the like star, subscribe if you want to do it right now. And guys and gals, one other thing that you got to do me a favor. go and check out all my links in my videos, and they're in the description. Go to Patreon, become a Patreon member, support the channel, buy the channel coffee. Come on, guys, buy the channel coffee. Support the channel, guys. Show some love to the OG. Show some love to OG, and become channel members. Remember, all of the super chats, all of the channel memberships, all the coffees, all of the Patreons, all that kind of stuff. It all goes to charity, guys. We're trying to feed the kids here in Vietnam, so help feed them, guys. Help. And don't forget to do me a big favor. Hop on over to Zen Music Addict right now. This is a wife channel, and this is kind of like relaxing, tranquil, meditative music with, kind of moving art in the background. It's really nice stuff, guys. If you're having trouble sleeping or you're just stressed out, just, lay there and listen to this stuff. It'll really help you relax, and it'll put you to sleep, but in a positive way. So go there and subscribe right now. I'm hoping that, by tomorrow morning, Vietnam time, we can see at least 600 subscribers on there. So help support the wife's channel. Do it now, guys. And with that being said, guys, don't forget to check out my merch. We've got the baseball hat. Baseball hat's always good and fun. We got the polo shirt, guys. And if you want to have, happiness in a mug, get the OG mug. The mug, get it right now. You want it, and get the backpack, get the pillow willow, and you can find the link to my shop in the description of all the videos. Go over to my shop and pick up some merch right now. Members, if you're listening and you're watching, go to my merchandise, pick up some merch right now. Send me a photo of you wearing the t-shirt or holding the mug or any merch that you purchase, and I will put your photo on one of the videos and give you a huge shout out. Love to all of you guys. So with that being said, I just want to say, God bless you all. Spread the good vibes. Spread the good vibes, guys. Hug one another. Love one another. Be well. Be blessed. God bless you all out there. Woo! Let's see you in the next one. Yeah, let's get it, guys. I love it. It's a great time to be. And this video would not be possible without my beautiful, beautiful Doge army, my community, my tribe, my followers. I love you guys. Guys, smash the likes. Hit the subscribe button. It's the last chance to show some support.